Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will learn what IBM SPSS Statistics is, what it is used for, and how to get started with the software. By the end of this video you will be able to describe IBM SPSS and its core purpose, download and install the software, open and close the application, and identify the key advantages of using IBM SPSS. So what is IBM SPSS Statistics? To answer this question, we need to understand the three key terms that make up its name. The first term is IBM, which denotes International Business Machines Corporation. It is a global technology company that owns and develops SPSS. The second term is SPSS, which stands for the statistical package for the social sciences. The third important term is statistics, which deals with data presentation and analysis. Therefore, IBM SPSS Statistics, or in short, SPSS, is an advanced software application used for quantitative data entry and statistical analysis. It enables users to perform both descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. This software is utilized by a wide range of professionals and researchers across different disciplines. In order to use SPSS, it must first be downloaded and properly installed. Let us see how to get started with SPSS. The software is available from the official website of IBM. So in the first step, open a web browser. This is Google Chrome. Then search for IBM SPSS. So in the search bar, type IBM SPSS, then press enter. This will display several search results. From these options, open the official IBM website. Click IBM SPSS download page. Here we get two options, either to download the free trial or to buy the licensed SPSS software. Therefore, you can download the software from this website just by following the instruction provided by the program. If you are a college or university student, contact your institution's IT department. They may be able to provide you with licensed access to the software. After properly installing SPSS, it is important to know how to open and close the program. Two options are available. One, we can use the desktop shortcut, or we can open from the start menu. Click the start menu and type the program name, which is IBM SPSS, into the search box, IBM SPSS. You get along the installed version. In my case, I have version 27 of SPSS. The latest version released by IBM is 32 at this time. So you click the program icon. When you open SPSS for the first time, we get two windows at the same time. The first window, which reads us welcome to IBM, gives us two options, whether to open the existing SPSS dataset or to create the new dataset from the scratch. If our plan is to create the SPSS dataset from the scratch, click new dataset here, or we can just close this window and then we can create a new data set. The other option is, if we have already created a SPSS data set, open the existing data set using recent files tab. Assume our interest is to create new data set. We click just close. So you get the data editor window, and the window displays it is menus and toolbars across the top of the screen. The menus are the drop-down lists located at the top of every SPSS window, such as File. When you point and click, you get sub-menus. Here, Edit, view, including help. The toolbars are found immediately below the menus. They are the shortcuts and graphical icons. If you type the name of the variable, for example, age, then the graphical icons, which are the toolbars, become active and they are changed into color. If these graphical icons are not changed into color, if they are not active, it means that the software is not properly installed. So you need to check that one. The SPSS windows and the functions of each menu are covered in a separate video. In order to close the software, you click the file menu or the file tab, then you click exit. Then it asks you whether to save or no. Save change to the following data set. At this time we don't need it, then you click no. Now let us explore the key advantages of SPSS. The first advantage of SPSS is it is user-friendly interface through intuitive menus. Just by using point-click approach, for example, point to analyze menu, you get sub-menus. Then we can run analysis. There are number of options here. You just point to any menu and then you find sub-menu through which we can undertake data analysis and we manage the data. So the menus enable users to perform complex statistical analysis without requiring advanced programming or coding skills. A second advantage is it is robust data management capability. By using SPSS, we can identify and handle missing values. We can create new variables such as income category or age groups. For example, in our data set, we may collect income by using obviously quantitative or numerical data. For some reason, we wanted to convert into categorical formats. Then by using transform function of SPSS, we can easily change into income category. So we can create new variable just using the transform function. From the data menu, we can split cases or entire file. Okay, we can undertake separate analysis. The third advantage is it is comprehensive analytical capability. From analyze menu, SPSS allows users to perform a wide variety of statistical procedures ranging from descriptive statistics to inferential statistics. For descriptive statistics, SPSS has options such as frequencies, descriptives, and many more procedures. For inferential statistics, which is concerned with hypothesis testing, SPSS has a number of commands such as compare means and regression analysis. A further advantage is it is dynamic data visualization capability. Just using the graph menu, SPSS has inbuilt chart builder. We can create publication quality charts and graphs that meet academic and professional standards. We can also use legacy dialogues to create publication quality charts and graphs. Another advantage of SPSS is that it produces reliable statistical results. It performs mathematically accurate calculations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials.